This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming which dual SIM method your S20 FE uses, physical plus eSIM or two physical SIMs, because the steps differ. Once confirmed, backup contacts and enable Wi-Fi so you can download carrier profiles if using eSIM. Power the phone off, eject the SIM tray, and insert your primary SIM into slot 1 with the gold contacts facing down. Then reboot the phone and unlock it to continue with the second SIM configuration. Next, add the second line. If you have a physical second SIM, turn the phone off or follow hot swap guidance, insert the nano SIM into slot 2 and close the tray, then boot up. If you're using eSIM, go to Settings, Connections, SIM Card Manager, tap Add Mobile Plan and follow the carrier's QR code or activation steps. Once the plan installs, assign a name and preferred data/call settings. Make sure both lines show signal bars before moving to preference setup. Finally, configure how the phone uses each SIM. Open SIM Card Manager and set defaults for voice, messages, and mobile data. You can also choose per contact preferences when making calls. Enable dual SIM always on or roaming rules if offered by your carrier so both lines stay reachable. If one line fails, toggle airplane mode, reboot the phone, or remove and re-add the eSIM profile. Check APN settings for data issues. If problems persist, contact your carrier with
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.